Sleep represents the body's primary repair window, where cleanup and restoration dominate biological priorities. During deep sleep, lymphatic drainage accelerates, and liver detox pathways operate at peak efficiency. This period allows waste removal, hormone recalibration, and cellular repair without daytime interference. Applying castor oil before sleep aligns topical support with these internal nighttime processes. Rather than forcing change, it synchronizes with rhythms already programmed into human physiology. The body becomes more receptive to supportive inputs when stress hormones decline overnight. This reframes castor oil use as timing optimization, not merely applying another remedy. Once timing aligns with sleep, the body responds through multiple interconnected repair systems simultaneously. These effects are not random, but follow predictable physiological pathways active during nighttime restoration. Each benefit reflects enhanced circulation, drainage, nerve signaling, or tissue remodeling processes. Castor oil acts as a catalyst, amplifying systems already designed to function during sleep. Understanding mechanisms transforms these benefits from anecdotes into reproducible biological outcomes. The following 10 effects emerge most consistently when application matches the body's repair window. Each benefit builds upon the same principle. Timing unlocks function already present within human biology. Benefit 1: bloat reduction through intestinal smooth muscle activation. Abdominal bloating often reflects stagnation rather than excess food or permanent digestive dysfunction. When applied topically, castor oil penetrates abdominal tissue, reaching underlying intestinal smooth muscle. Ricinoleic acid activates EP3 receptors, which regulate coordinated contractions inside the digestive tract. These mild contractions encourage movement of trapped gas and stagnant contents overnight. Unlike oral laxatives, this mechanism works gently without dehydration, cramping, or urgency. The abdomen feels flatter by morning because pressure and distension gradually resolve during sleep. Bloat reduction occurs through improved motility rather than forced elimination or suppression. Benefit 2: lymphatic flush supporting overnight detoxification. Lymphatic stagnation often underlies swelling, inflammation, and sluggish detoxification throughout the body during sleep. Castor oil packs applied overnight gently stimulate lymph flow beneath the skin tissues naturally. Research shows increased lymphocyte activity, enhancing immune-mediated waste removal processes during nocturnal repair. This effect functions like manually pumping lymph without physical movement or strain overnight safely. Improved drainage reduces abdominal fullness, fluid retention, and inflammatory signaling by morning noticeably consistently. Applying oil before sleep synchronizes lymph support with natural circadian detox rhythms for effectiveness. This prepares the body for subsequent benefits affecting sleep, skin, joints, and immunity systems. Benefit 3: deeper sleep and insomnia relief through nervous system calming. Difficulty sleeping often reflects nervous system imbalance rather than simple lack of tiredness alone. Topical castor oil absorption encourages parasympathetic dominance, calming the body before sleep onset. Vagus nerve activity increases signaling safety, relaxation, and internal restoration readiness. As cortisol levels fall, melatonin production rises, supporting deeper, uninterrupted sleep cycles overnight. This shift helps the body exit fight or flight mode accumulated during stressful days. Sleep quality improves because repair processes proceed without hormonal interference or nervous agitation. Waking refreshed reflects restored rhythm rather than sedation or forced sleep induction. Benefit 4: skin anti-aging through deep moisture and structural support. Night application allows castor oil to act as a humectant, drawing moisture into skin layers. Ricinoleic acid penetrates deeply, supporting collagen and elastin activity within dermal tissue structures. Hydration improves cellular function, reducing fine lines caused by dryness and environmental stress. Antioxidant properties help neutralize free radicals generated during daytime exposure and inflammation. Skin repairs more efficiently overnight when barrier function strengthens and water loss decreases. This process mimics cosmetic treatments by improving texture, firmness, and glow naturally. Results appear gradually because repair replaces damage rather than masking surface appearance temporarily. Benefit 5. Joint pain reduction through anti-inflammatory circulation support. Chronic joint discomfort often reflects inflammation, circulation issues, rather than irreversible structural damage alone. Castor oil applied nightly delivers anti-inflammatory effects similar to capsaicin without heating sensations. Ricinoleic acid reduces substance P activity, which transmits pain signals through affected joints tissues. Improved local circulation increases nutrient delivery and waste removal, supporting overnight joint recovery processes. Reduced inflammation allows surrounding muscles, tendons, and ligaments to relax during sleep more fully. Morning stiffness often decreases because repair outpaces daytime stress accumulation patterns within joints naturally. Consistent use supports mobility, comfort, and confidence without relying on systemic pain medications nightly. Benefit 6. Gut reset and constipation relief without ingestion. Digestive sluggishness often stems from poor motility rather than insufficient fiber or hydration alone. Topical castor oil stimulates intestinal smooth muscle activity even without oral consumption. This gentle stimulation encourages natural bowel movement rhythms during overnight rest phases. Waste moves forward without harsh laxative effects, dehydration, or dependency development risks. A cleaner gut reduces internal pressure, improving comfort, mental clarity, and morning lightness. Gut-brain signaling improves because reduced stagnation lowers inflammatory and stress-related feedback loops. This reset supports digestion consistency rather than forcing elimination through aggressive interventions. Benefit 7. Hair growth support through follicle activation and circulation. Hair thinning often reflects impaired scalp circulation and inhibitory signaling rather than irreversible follicle loss. Ricinoleic acid helps inhibit prostaglandin D2, which is linked to suppressed hair growth. Topical application improves microcirculation, delivering nutrients and oxygen to dormant follicles overnight. This environment encourages follicles to re-enter active growth phases gradually and consistently. Scalp skin hydration improves, reducing inflammation that interferes with healthy hair cycling processes. Results develop slowly because follicles respond to signaling changes across multiple growth cycles. Regular nighttime use supports thicker, fuller hair by restoring conditions rather than forcing stimulation. Benefit 8. Scar and stretch mark softening through tissue remodeling. Scar tissue forms when collagen fibers align poorly after injury, stress, or rapid stretching events. Castor oil penetrates fibrous tissue, helping loosen disorganized connective structures over time. Ricinoleic acid supports circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients into rigid scarred areas. Improved blood flow encourages healthier collagen remodeling during nighttime repair cycles. Stretch marks soften as tissue elasticity gradually improves through repeated consistent application. This process works slowly because connective tissue adapts through progressive biological restructuring. Night use maximizes results by aligning remodeling activity with natural skin regeneration rhythms. Benefit 9. Immune modulation through lymph and thymus support. Immune resilience depends on efficient lymph signaling rather than constant stimulation or supplementation. Applying castor oil over lymph nodes or thymus supports nighttime immune coordination processes. Ricinoleic acid enhances lymph flow, improving transport of immune cells throughout tissues during sleep. This environment supports balanced T-cell activity without overstimulation or inflammatory excess responses. Nighttime application aligns immune support with natural repair and surveillance cycles. Consistent use strengthens immune readiness by reducing stagnation rather than forcing activation aggressively. This creates protective immune armor, working quietly while the body rests and repairs overnight. Benefit 10. Dry eye relief through tear film stabilization. Dry eyes often result from lipid imbalance rather than simple lack of moisture or hydration. Castor oil addresses tear film stability by supporting lipid layers, protecting eye surface overnight. Gentle application near eyelids helps unclog meibomian glands, improving oil secretion balance. This stabilizes tears, reducing evaporation, irritation, and burning sensations during waking hours. Relief feels lasting because the underlying cause is addressed, not temporarily masked. Nighttime use aligns with ocular repair processes active during closed eye rest periods. Consistent application supports comfort, clarity, and resilience without reliance on artificial drops. After understanding benefits, it becomes critical to address risks often ignored or misunderstood. Many commercial castor oils are extracted using hexane, which carries neurotoxic contamination risks. Plastic packaging introduces BPA and phthalates, which leach into oil over time. Ricinoleic acid acts as a plasticizer, increasing chemical migration from containers significantly. These contaminants undermine benefits and introduce unnecessary toxic burden to the body. Safe use requires strict standards, not optional preferences or marketing claims. Only hexane-free cold-pressed castor oil stored in glass bottles is acceptable. Modern health approaches focus on adding supplements instead of removing accumulated internal stagnation. The core issue is congestion buildup rather than missing compounds or exotic ingredients. Castor oil works by assisting removal, allowing systems to clear waste naturally overnight. This subtraction approach restores flow, supporting organs already designed for self-maintenance. Ancient practices align with modern receptor science, confirming biological relevance today. Timing application before sleep amplifies effectiveness by matching peak repair cycles. Healing accelerates when obstacles are removed, not when more interventions are added.